Good afternoon. In today's video, I wanted to bring you guys along on an event that a member from the Alabama Bonsai Society put on. Stuart planted some Dawn Redwood trees roughly about 8 years ago, and it was time to dig those up. So he decided that he was going to donate a lot of these trees to the members, and it was a great day to have people come over, select their tree, and be able to dig it up out of the ground and get it ready to make it into a bonsai. And so I wanted to document that process and share it with everyone. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let's get into it. As we begin the day, I gather some boxes that were built and start drilling holes for drainage so that as people get their trees out, they'll be able to get them in the box and get them ready to go.
Right next? Okay.
Wow. Yeah, everybody, I've always heard you can't bonsai houses. I'm sure we can. What we did to that roof this morning, I believe we can handle this. I really
Oh, okay.
So one of the best tools that we had today that I would call the MVP was this reciprocating saw. This allows you to cut the roots around the tree and under the tree to be able to remove it from the ground a lot easier.
I like that jumping.
I like it too.
That's cool. Can I record that? Put it on YouTube? That's a nice tree. You got one.
No, you're clear.
I'm clear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just heavy.
It was just heavy.
Yikes.
Let's cut the bottom off.
It was really great to be able to see everyone's excitement on getting their trees out of the ground. I really enjoyed helping them today with that process.
Job, doesn't it? Yeah. That's yours. You know, you got a bad arm. You got a bad arm.
For me.
You may have bad ribs.
Pull this that way for me.
Yeah.
Platform. Looks like we got. Here, switch sides with me.
Yeah, there's another one right in there. Oh, no. Feels like it's in there.
Yep.
Yeah, that would make sense.
That was good. That helps. Right down in here somewhere.
You guys okay?
That's just heavy.
Yes.
Now at the end of the day, it was finally my turn. My tree was the last one to come out of the ground. And I'm thankful to Victor and Stuart to help me get this tree out of the ground. As you can see, definitely was a lot easier than some of the ones I dug today.
Don't cut the power cord.
I'm trying my best not to. My daddy sold power tools for 50 years. He said it's not a good idea when you
I really want to just be like, right?
Yeah, I know. One of them did come out well, you said.
Oh, this one's not gonna do that. It's not moving.
Yeah. I think I would cut even closer. I'm probably going right there. Close as you can. Odd sound. Hopefully this one will peel out. Ooh, the whole thing's moving. Careful. Hit it right there. Saw. Hit it right there.
Trigger this one. Saws off trigger this one.
Hey, I think this one's gonna come out pretty easy. Look at that. Wow. So easy compared to the other. Jeez, that made a huge difference.
I can even cut through the board. I figured it did.
Boy, that made it easy, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You got roots over there? Yep. Pull it up.
Hot. You got it.
Where is that? It's right there. It's that right there.
Free.
That's some bullshit.
Wasn't that easy? Oh my gosh.
No, that's cool. I'm glad.
Look at that board.
Yeah.
The whole thing is in there.
Yeah.
It worked.
Hey.
Hey, it worked. Made
Oh,
life
man.
easy. Look at this. I hope the camera's on.
It is.
Look at this.
Look at that.
It worked.
Made life.
That's more like a ½ inch.
Yeah.
A ½ inch by 6.
So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go right down.
Oh, look out. Monetizing your YouTube video. Oh wow, look, the board is rotten.
Wow. Wow, did that work for like a charm? You gotta show that one. Here, let's turn it all the way. Look at that baby. Oh yeah.
That is.
The camera pointing.
Yep. That is perfect.
Wild.
That is perfect.
Welcome. Got fine roots and everything.
Yep.
You okay?
Yep.
Yeah,
That's scary.
cut that right there.
Bloopers.
You're just cracking jokes.
Blooper wheel.
aren't
This
you?
way. No, this way.
Yeah, that way. There we go.
Never actually used a full size one.
Really?
It's pretty fun. I mean, I've got like that Milwaukee thing is like
Right.
effectively this, just half the size, but
Man, that's ready to go in a
That's
pot.
pretty cool.
That is right.
That is awesome.
Those are better than the ones. They've got better bases than the ones that are.
Set it in there and see. I'm probably gonna need a little more, but. Set it in there.
It's even tighter. You picked it up earlier over there, and I was like,
Yeah, looks like we're gonna have
a
to.
little bit of.
Yeah, we're gonna have to trim some of the. There we go. Yeah, we can just. Is that gonna fit? Yeah, we're just gonna get some.
We need to trim like a couple of places.
I need my printers. I got some here.
Actually,
Watch your fingers on it. That's a nice fit.
I hate that thing. It's hard to reload. Just hit more than once.
it's in the box. Oh no, that's not.
Cool.
You know, it's under tension. So you know.
Today was a lot of fun, and I want to thank Stuart again for hosting the event and donating all these trees to the Bonsai Society. I know that they're going to good homes and everybody is going to enjoy working on them and creating beautiful works of art in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and I really love sharing this experience with everyone. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.